Welcome to this comprehensive guide on AWS Amplify identity pools. In this tutorial, we will explore what AWS Amplify identity pools are, how they work, and their benefits. First, let's start with the basics. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. One of the key features of AWS Amplify is identity pools, which enable you to manage user identities and access control for your applications. An identity pool is a store of user identities that provides temporary AWS credentials for access to AWS services. When a user signs into your application, they are assigned a unique identity, which is stored in the identity pool. This identity is then used to authenticate and authorize access to AWS services, such as S3, DynamoDB, and API Gateway. To get started with AWS Amplify identity pools, you need to create an identity pool in the AWS Management Console. You can do this by navigating to the AWS Amplify dashboard, clicking on the Auth tab, and selecting Identity Pools. From there, you can create a new identity pool and configure the settings as needed. One of the key benefits of using AWS Amplify identity pools is that they provide a scalable and secure way to manage user identities. With identity pools, you can handle large volumes of user data and provide secure access to AWS services. Additionally, identity pools integrate seamlessly with other AWS services, making it easy to build and deploy scalable applications. In terms of best practices, it's essential to configure the identity pool settings carefully to ensure that your application is secure and scalable. This includes setting up the correct authentication and authorization settings, as well as configuring the identity pool to work with other AWS services. To illustrate this concept, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you're building a mobile application that allows users to upload photos to S3. To do this securely, you can use an AWS Amplify identity pool to manage user identities and provide temporary AWS credentials for access to S3. When a user signs into your application, they are assigned a unique identity, which is stored in the identity pool. This identity is then used to authenticate and authorize access to S3, allowing the user to upload photos securely. In conclusion, AWS Amplify identity pools provide a powerful and flexible way to manage user identities and access control for your applications. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and configuring the identity pool settings carefully, you can build scalable and secure applications that integrate seamlessly with AWS services.